From the depths of the oceans to the highest peaks, our planet is a tapestry of life, woven through its most untamed wilderness. In the deep blue, life pulses with the rhythm of the sea, where each creature plays its part in a delicate dance. Above, the forests breathe, towering and teeming with life, sheltering creatures great and small in their leafy embrace. Rising higher, the mountains stand as a realm for the strong, where survival is earned in the harshest of elements. In the frozen wilderness, life endures against all odds, resilient, even in the face of nature's coldest extremes. Across every realm, life finds a way, from sea to sky, from forest to ice. This is our planet, in its wildest form. Let the adventure into the wild begin. High in the misty mountains of Central Africa, a quiet giant roams. Among the dense jungles and towering trees, the gorilla, one of our closest living relatives, plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of this fragile ecosystem. Gorillas are one of the largest primates on Earth, with the two most well-known species being the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. They live in tightly knit family groups called troops, led by a dominant male known as a silverback. The silverback is not only the leader, but also the protector, guiding his troop through the ever-changing environment of the rainforest. Gorillas are highly social and intelligent creatures. Each troop has its own unique dynamics, with bonds between family members that are built on trust, cooperation, and affection. Infants are cared for tenderly by their mothers, staying close during the first few years of their lives. These early years are critical for learning the complex behaviors required to survive in the jungle. Despite their immense size and strength, gorillas are gentle herbivores, feeding mostly on plants, fruits, and bamboo. As they travel through the forest, gorillas unknowingly serve as gardeners of the jungle, dispersing seeds and helping to regenerate the very ecosystem they depend on. But the existence of these magnificent creatures is under threat. Gorillas face numerous challenges, from habitat destruction to illegal poaching and disease. Over the past few decades, human activities have drastically reduced gorilla populations, particularly in areas where their forest homes have been cleared for agriculture or logging. Yet, amidst these challenges, hope remains. Conservation efforts led by dedicated teams are making a difference. National parks and protected areas have been established to safeguard gorilla habitats, and international organizations are working tirelessly to combat poaching and raise awareness. Gorillas are more than just animals. They are the guardians of the forest, crucial to the balance of their ecosystem. Their survival depends not only on nature, but on us. It is our responsibility to protect them, to ensure that future generations will hear the beating heart of the rainforest and the gentle giants who call it home. Join us in protecting these magnificent creatures and their habitat. Support the International Gorilla Conservation Program, IGCP, today, and help secure a future for gorillas in the wild.